Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy Wax Melts new releases video. I feel like this new release video is very Avery themed, which is so fun and exciting, and I'm really stoked about it. So I have a new collection to share with you guys, as well as Averys Favorite, which should have been available a couple of days ago, and it will be available all of February. So let's go ahead and start with that. So if you're new to Fantasy Wax Melts, there's 4 of us in my family, myself, my husband, and our 2 daughters, and we started this kind of thing where we do a favorite scent of the month that's our favorite for the entire month of our birthday month. So I said month like 80 times, but February is my daughter Avery's birthday month. She will be turning 7 February 13th. I don't even want to get into the fact that I have a 7-year-old. I can't believe she's 7. So last year she chose Cherry Slushy as her favorite scent. And this year I was like, okay, so what do you want your favorite scent to be? And we went through the ringer. She initially was like, Cherry Slushy, Mom. And I was like, okay, but maybe let's try something a little different, you know? And so it took her a couple days and she came at me with so many different ideas, but she knew she wanted to do something cherry still. The girl loves cherry. So we went over all the different fragrance oils that had cherry in it, and she ended up choosing chocolate covered cherries. So this is Averys Fav for 2022. It is chocolate covered cherries, which I still think is quite fitting for like the month of February as well. Okay, and I can't wait to explain to you how this smells because it's like so good. Okay, so available February 1st. So this has been available February 1st. It will be available until February 28th in our shop, and then it will be gone. So this scent to me smells like the Tootsie Roll Pops, the cherry flavored Tootsie Roll Pops. Like, I swear I can smell the like chocolate center and then the cherry coating. Like, it smells so good. I cannot believe I love this scent as much as I do. It's just fantastic. So this is Averys Favorite. Again, this is available all month of February. It is currently available, like I said. And then we have the Mario collection, which I was brainstorming new collection ideas in Avery. Well, we've all been playing Mario Party Superstars or Mario Superstars since Christmas, and it's something that we love to do as a family. And Avery was like, oh Mom, you should do a Mario collection. So I decided to do our 6 like favorite characters, I guess. Excuse me. And I kind of ran with it, and it was a lot of fun. These scents are super fun, and I'm really excited. So this collection will be available today, February 4th at 3 p.m. Central Time on our Etsy shop. So be sure to click the link in the description to favorite the shop, follow our shop Instagram, as well as join our shop Facebook page. I've been posting quite a bit on there. Anyway, now we can get started. So the first scent we have here is Mario. We did a red with blue. I tried to really coordinate the coloring of the characters. I felt like that was kind of fun. So Mario's scent note is fruit punch, which like, this smells like Hawaiian punch to me, and it makes me so happy because like Hawaiian punch is so nostalgic. It smells so good. So Mario is fruit punch. The next one we have is Peach. Peach is actually my preferred character to play. So we did pink with yellow because that is her colorway, I suppose. And we did a blend for this one. We did do a couple of blends with this collection, which always makes me really excited. So the blend for this is fresh peaches and zucchini bread. We did do a fresh like Georgia peach kind of scent last year. This is not that one, this is a different peach, but I felt like mixed with zucchini bread, it would make it really like bakery and nice. So again, fresh peaches and zucchini bread. This is the peach scent. Oh, this one is so good. I'm so happy with this one. Next up we have Yoshi, which again, another one I'm super excited about. Brian is typically Yoshi, and I love like the little Yoshi dance he does. It's like, not Brian, but like what Yoshi does, which is like the cutest thing ever. So this one is all green. And the scent note for this one is Mountain Dew, which I love me a good fizzy scent. I feel like this is so like spot on Mountain Dew. Oh, it smells so good. I almost feel like you could mix this one and the Mario scent, just like cut them into fourths and just put 2 cubes in. That could be really interesting and delicious. But yeah, I love this scent. We sent this one out as freebies, and I was so excited about it. So this is Yoshi, this is Mountain Dew. The next one we also sent out as freebies. This is Rosalina. This is who Avery usually is. She's so pretty. Reagan calls her Elsa because she looks like Elsa, so I kind of did a little bit of an Elsa colorway. The blue with the hollow. We sent this scent out again as a freebie. This is Mexican fried ice cream. And this is amazing. This is like surprisingly bakery to me. Like it kind of smells like a, I don't know how to describe it. I really don't. Like I have no descriptive words for you. I just feel like you need to smell it. It's definitely leaning a little bit more bakery. It's just an interesting, I feel like interesting is a bad word. It's a very good scent. Do not get me wrong. I wouldn't make anything I didn't like, but it's just so good. It's so good. So this is Mexican fried ice cream. This is Rosalina. Next up we have Bowser's. We did brown with like a kind of like mustardy kind of color glitter on top. And Bowser is our other blend. We did banana cream pie and whole wheat bread. So I initially was just gonna do the whole wheat bread, but I felt like it needed something extra. So I called in my friend Avery and I said, hey, what do you think Bowser reminds you of? And she was like, bananas. This kid, I swear. So we decided to do, again, banana cream pie and whole wheat bread. And I feel like together, it's just like a really nice bakery banana blend. I really enjoy it. If you tried our banana cream pie from our like fall pie stand collection, again, it's the same fragrance oil, so it's very similar to that, but you do have that bready note as well, which I feel like almost tones down the banana, but not quite. You can definitely still smell the banana. So this is Bowser. And then the last one we have is Shy Guy. This is who Brian usually is too. He's either Yoshi or Shy Guy. In Superstars, I don't think Shy Guy is available, but he's just so cute. And Avery really wanted to do him, so we did white with red. I thought it was super cute. And the scent note for Shy Guy is fresh picked strawberries, which, oh, I'm so excited I found a good strawberry fragrance oil. I have so many samples, you guys, you don't even understand. I have so many samples from so many different manufacturing fragrance oil suppliers of fresh picked strawberries because I've been trying to find one I like, and they all either smell too like almost like dirt or too sweet, like way too candy sweet. And this one, the perfect fresh picked strawberry. It smells amazing. This is Shy Guy. It's fantastic. I think you're really going to enjoy this one. So that is our Mario collection. We have Shy Guy, Bowser, Rosalina, Yoshi, Peach, and Mario, Fruit Punch, Peaches and Zucchini Bread, Mountain Dew, Mexican Fried Ice Cream, Banana Cream Pie and Whole Wheat Bread, and Fresh Picked Strawberries. I feel like this is a very fun, sort of like anytime collection, as well as Averys Fav Chocolate Covered Cherries available all month long. I just, again, feel like it's a fun anytime collection. Definitely some fun scents to add to your collection. Yeah, I'm really stoked about them. So again, these will be available today, February 4th, in our Etsy shop at 3 p.m. Central Time. I'm super stoked. I hope you guys are as well. And yeah, let me know which ones you're the most excited for. As you can clearly see, I'm excited for all of them, but I think I'm the most excited for the Fresh Picked Strawberries just because it took me so long to find one I liked. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.